first looks really good, very close to the concept. It's really very nice, looks very nice. But when someone will check your work, he will look not at the places you copy paste very nice, but on what you did by yourself in this work. So he will look at these places and the difference of quality between this place and the place where you made a copy. So you focused on the face, it's nice, but it looks like you just copy pasted from here, and you have to make the same for another places. You have to show your own artistic skills. People will look at this place. It's first. Second, if you want to get a feedback, you have to make a very nice screenshot, very nice pictures of your work. You split your progress on 3 different screenshots. It's okay, sometimes it's okay when you split your work on 3 screenshots, but usually we ask people to combine everything in one screenshot. So you have to show everything in one screenshot. Just try to show everything in one, and try to make it not very rectangle, but try to make it most like a square, because square screenshots they fit very well in Slack. So please don't ignore advices on how to make the screenshots. It's the second advice. And third one will be about the textures. Try not to make this very empty spaces. It's an empty space. Try to play with merging these 2 spaces, so make it not so flat. Just try to repeat this kind of artist painting. Try to repeat it on other sides. It's very hard to control this painting of this wood by painting these details. It's very hard. I would start from middle details, like on the logic of this texture. So I would start from painting these kind of details. So I would split it. I would not make too long lines. You have very distracted spots of lighting. I don't understand why it's bright. I understand why it's bright here, because it's space of where the lighting works. Okay, and why it's bright only here, I don't understand. So I would make everything more flatter, then I would split it to some curves, details. You just you jump it from one step to another. You didn't finish your detail step and you jump to the lighting and painting lighting specifically on this spot. So I would first finishing with the details everywhere, make it more perfect. Like here you add nice details on the edges. Then I would switch to the lighting by adding overlay and try to paint on the only shadows, lighting more colors. So, and don't left very empty spaces like this. It's very rude transition. It's very wide transition. You have a lot of empty spaces where you didn't work at all. So try to make it more finishing in details. First, try to finish your details. Thank you.